Hi everyone, welcome back to another hair tutorial. So today I'll be doing mini twists on my natural hair. I started the process already, but I wanted to show you up close and personal how I achieved this look. So these are the products that I used to achieve my mini twist: the Gummy Professional Gel, Beeswax, you can use any brand that you prefer, and the Cantu Coconut Curling Cream. In order to make the process of mini twists a bit easier, I advise you to section your hair in different sections and then working your way through each section. So I use the tail comb to part my hair into different rows in order to create mini sections to twist. I then add curling cream to my hair to give it a bit of moisture. You can use any moisturizer that you have. At the time I only had this, so this is what I worked with. I then went in with my beeswax. I think this helped with the uniformity of the twist. Went in, comb it through so that when it's time to twist I don't have to do this. I then used my comb to comb through and then section my hair into a mini section which I will be twisting. So twisting is very easy. What I did was, in order to create a rope effect with my mini twist, I twirled the hair in the opposite direction, then twisted those twirls together as I move downwards to create the rope effect. I twisted as far as possible down to the end of my hair, and then the products that I used prior to twisting, they created somewhat of a curl pattern at the end of my hair. So I just, twist it to create that little swirl. Please remember when you're twisting to get your two sections that you're about to twist as even as possible, and that helps with the uniformity of your twist. Guys, I know my parts aren't perfect, but it was to the best of my ability, and I think I did pretty well. I don't know about you, but anytime I'm doing my protective style or combing my hair, I have to have my music on to take my mind off the fact that I'm actually doing my hair. It makes things way easier and things move very fast. You know, I'm going in with Earthal's growth oil to moisturize my scalp, and then I massage that oil properly on my scalp. I then added a curly mousse to my hair just to set the curls and the twist into place, put it into place to give it that finish shine look. Guys, in order for me to achieve this look, I used this 3-way mirror. I got it on Amazon and I must say it was a godsend. Beautiful product. This was my hair about 4 weeks after the shrinkage was real. I then went and pulled my twist out to create this nice curly fro. This is like my absolute favorite hairstyle whatsoever, and I'll show you the finished product soon, guys. And the growth was real. Do you see that growth at the front of my hairline? It was indeed real. Guys, this was the finished look and I'm absolutely in love. This is my favorite natural hairstyle and it's so versatile. You can do so much with it, and as it gets older you can put it into a high bun, not ponytail, but yeah, there's so much to do with just this style. I love it. So if you're looking for that protective style that is easy to do and will give you a nice trendy look, I suggest you go and try the mini twist now. And thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow me on all social media platforms. Bye.